Mom, I want more juice. Mia doesn't even like juice, right? Where is my painting? I left it right here.
This is Mia. She is 8 years old. And this is her moment. Finally.
3 months. Few hide every single day. This is my best work.
What a beautiful painting, Mia. This will be perfect for her.
3 months, that is my name. Nobody can take that away. Where is my painting? I left it right here.
I submitted it for the festival. Sophie's name is on it now.
That is my painting. I worked 3 whole months.
Nobody wants. A nobody's name. Sophie is the future. The studio is for Sophie now. This door stays. Locked.
They took the painting, but not the colors. These are still mine. Sophie's name is up there. Mine is nowhere. My name is right here. They cannot erase this. No studio, no problem. The ground is my canvas now. Same sky, same colors. I remember everything. I am worthy of my name. I just need someone to see. No one can lock Hallis the whole street. I will keep drawing.
Interesting. That line, a blot them petit, is not a child's line.
There. Thingasping der Holgeful Puppin, that is truth. Exactly what I see.
How do you know?
What? It is wrong. You were not standing there.
Look at that roof now. Where does the shadow actually fall?
Oh. The shadow is on the left. I see it now.
You did not argue. You just looked again.
Who are you? Really? You walk alone.
Come to my studio.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Bring the box.
So much light in here. Is this place really for me? Put your box
On the table. This studio has one rule only. Her hand does not hesitate.
This child.
Already knows truth. The sky is honest. Paint like nobody can take it. I know what they did. This is your proof.
I am only 8 years old. But the truth is, right here. My painting is, in there. My name should be up there.
Sophie worked. But hit tick so hard for this. We are so proud.
This is not mine at all.
Mr. Edwin. What an optentikente. What an honor. Sophie is our young artist.
I know this painting, and it is not Sophie's hand.
Mia.
Are you in a gondenkuyaya? You brought the paper.
Good girl. This is my truth. I am walking in. Now.
Mia,
Me what, yeah?
this is not your place today.
I am not leaving. This is my proof. Right here.
Mr. Edwin?
What you catchin cone? You are certain? Every line is hers? I am certain. This child is worthy of her name.
Mia needs more time to grow. Sophie has the talent.
I did not paint it. Mia painted. Every single night.
The smile she practiced is finally gone.
The name on this painting has always been one name only.
My name is up there. And it is still Ma. I painted every night. Alone. That is what having a voice means.
This is what truth looks like.
Some mistakes. Kaikiane, you cannot take back.
This is what belonging feels like.
This pen has seen a lot of truth. Now it belongs.
To you, Mia. This is my voice, and now everyone can see it. I have my name. I have my voice. And I am worthy.